Hello, hello, this is Teena Hughes and I'm in my art studio and just looking around before I start painting today, and I'm just looking at the colourful things that I surround myself with. I've got hand-painted silk, I've got a wonderful rubber tree that a friend brought over and gave to me this week, and it's going out on the balcony today, woohoo! I've got all kinds of things that capture my fancy. On the top left-hand corner of the cubes, I've got some acrylic paintings in the background, and you can see my crazy starfish there in pink. And then in front of that, I've got my talking monkey, I've got my afro guy, and I've got some wooden models that I use for when I'm sketching figures. And I just love being able to see all of these fabulous things as I look around my studio. So my question for you today is, what do you have around you? Do you have some interesting things to brighten up your space, or is it spick and span and minimalist? I'd love to know more about your art space. So do post a message and let me know. And a photo too, if you've got one. I'd love to see what it looks like. Okay, that's it from me for today. This is Teena Hughes from howtopaintonsilk.com. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye.